Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CHF intraday bullish bias above 0.9120 analysis.http ntvforex.com news ID C457B7 8/3/2027 24:45 am. USD CHF bullish bias above 0.9120. Stay on top of the markets with Swissquote's news AMP analysis. Pivot invalidation 0.9120. Our preference long positions above 0.9120 with targets at 0.9170 amp 0.9185 in extension. Alternative scenario below 0.9120 look for further downside with 0.9095 amp 0.9070 as targets. CommentTechnically the RSI is above its neutrality area at 50. USD CAD under pressure. Pivot invalidation 1.3435. Our preference short positions below 1.3435 with targets at 1.3370 amp 1.3350 in extension. Alternative scenario above 1.3435 look for further upside with 1.3460 amp 1.3480 as targets. Comment as long as 1.3435 is resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. AUD/USD the downside prevails. Pivot invalidation 0.7160. Our preference short positions below 0.7160 with targets at 0.7105 amp 0.7085 in extension. Alternative scenario above 0.7160 look for further upside with 0.7185 amp 0.7200 as targets. Comment as long as the resistance at 0.7160 is not surpassed, the risk of the break below 0.7105 remains high. USD try bullish bias above 6.9550. Pivot invalidation 6.9550. Our preference long positions above 6.9550 with targets at 7.0070 amp 7.0250 in extension. Alternative scenario below 6.9550 look for further downside with 6.9350 amp 6.9170 as targets. Comment a support base at 6.9550 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.